In here, we'll dive into the User Groups section within the Content Manager. This feature allows you to organize app users into custom groups, making it easier to manage targeted notifications, permissions, and user segmentation. By default, there are 3 main user groups: Users, Anonymous, and Registered. These groups categorize users based on their app registration status. However, you can also create custom groups to meet specific needs. For example, if you want to send a notification to a particular segment, creating a user group makes this simple and efficient. In the User Groups table, you'll see each group's name, creation date, and status. This helps you track and manage existing groups effectively. To create a new user group, click the Create Group button in the top left corner. A form will appear where you can enter a name for your group. Next, select the users you want to add to this group. You'll see a list of all existing users, and you can select as many as needed for your group. Note: in this section, you're only able to add existing users. Creating new users is not possible here. After selecting your users, click Save to create the group. Your new user group is now set up and ready for targeted notifications or specialized content management. And that's how you create and manage user groups in the AppSpotter Content Manager. User groups offer an efficient way to manage specific segments of your app's user base, enhancing personalization and engagement.